In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can redeem your Stockpile gift card. So for those people who do not know Stockpile, in Stockpile you guys can buy gift card of stocks and you can give it to anyone you want as a gift, alright? So that's basically how Stockpile works. So let me show you guys how you guys can redeem your Stockpile gift card. But before that, you're watching One to Step YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And let's jump right into the video, shall we? So the first step is you want to search for a Stockpile gift card. After you do that, click on Register gift card for Stockpile. After you click on it, it's going to take you to your Stockpile website. Once you're over here, click on Redeem a Gift. Once you're over here, you want to enter the code which is in your Stockpile gift card. After you enter the code, click on Claim Your Gift. After you click on Claim Your Gift, basically your Stockpile gift card will be redeemed. So that's basically how you guys can redeem your Stockpile gift card. Hope you guys were able to understand. If you guys did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.